Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy bottlenecks, close background apps and services that steal CPU and GPU time. Open Task Manager and end high-usage tasks. This frees resources immediately. Next, switch your power plan to high performance to prevent throttling and update your GPU drivers plus system patches. Drivers often contain fixes for stuttering. Once done, reboot to apply changes. These steps reduce contention and create a clean baseline so later, deeper changes show their effect. You now tune graphics and system behavior for sustained performance. Reduce expensive settings like shadows, high-resolution textures, and view distance to drop GPU load while keeping visual clarity. In your GPU control panel, set power management to prefer maximum performance so clocks don't fluctuate under load. Then, test with VSync or an FPS cap. Capping can stabilize frame times, while adaptive sync fixes tearing-related stutters. Make incremental changes and measure FPS and frame time to identify which adjustments matter most for your rig. To finish, verify stability and hunt remaining causes. Monitor CPU, GPU, and storage temps to rule out thermal throttling. If temperatures spike, clean fans or receipt coolers. Run a clean boot to isolate software conflicts, and if needed, test in safe mode to confirm drivers are the issue. Finally, run RAM diagnostics, SSD health checks, and a GPU benchmark to detect hardware faults. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: roll back recent driver updates or restore a known good system, restore point to undo recent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.